Good morning everyone. Today we are back with another beautiful video where my little champs have done a beautiful activity using various kind of leaves. Certain animals and figures of birds have been drawn. Beautiful monkey, fish over here in different colors, parrot by our little champs have been done beautifully. An activity so that they enjoy the classes over here. Look how beautiful the parrot is, and some of them are still doing it. See, we've got Lord Ganesha also here, then tortoise, then we have beautiful parrot, beautiful peacock here. Okay, Paritosh is still doing it. Beautiful. I must say that all of them are champions. They have done amazing job. Here we are. Okay. Some are struggling with it, whereas some are acing in it. But yes, everybody has tried to do a great job. Okay, then we have bird here. Oh, beautiful butterfly while by painting the leaves. Okay, then another big fish and a butterfly again. Okay, this child is still started. And this is how beautifully the activity was done by the students of class 3rd A. That's all for now. Thank you so much.